President Muhammadu Buhari mandated to read the Riot Act against Fulani herdsmen, armed bandits and others. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, was urged by Lieutenant General Alani Akinrinde to read the Riot Act against mischief makers, armed bandits, Fulani herdsmen, and agents of destabilization. This information is made via both the Nigerian Army's verified Twitter and Facebook accounts. Of course, the press release has gotten a lot of reaction from Nigerians. Some of them can also be seen. According to the press release published on the Army's verified Facebook account, the former CDS revealed that there are Fulani mercenaries in the country who are not Nigerians. Both are sponsored by some Nigerians. He went further to reveal that due to some natural and the activities of herdsmen, there will be famine. This is evident as the country is already borrowing grains from the ECOWAS countries, he said. Thank you for listening to this news. You can see now. Yes, he should. He should do that because let's know our faith. Let's know if there is something left behind as per conditions for any violence or any mischief attitude caused by any hoodlum. What conditions, what is the penalty or punishment left behind for people of this kind? You understand? So let us know. Let us know if there is a punishment left behind for these people. Let's know our fate. You understand now? So this is a very good idea and a welcomed one. If we don't do that, definitely these people will keep stepping on us. They have stepped on a lot of toes. They have stepped on a lot of toes, and so something should be done on that, and a decision concerning the conditions for each of these criminals should be made open. So we know our fate. We know that yes, there is a punishment left for these people. There is a condition left for this particular set of people. And I know the reason why they are demanding for this. They are demanding for this due to the lackadaisical attitude and I don't care attitude the president has been playing in terms of security matters in the country. The president will hear through his information minister that some people have just been killed in Imo State. And I don't know if he's the one playing a face-off or if it is our security agents that is playing a face-off. For throughout the 24 hours, no one will face, no one will surface. No one will surface. You understand? So let him read it out. Let's know our fate. Let's know which penalty, which punishment is actually prepared for these people when seen committing an offense of this kind. Let's know. Let's know our fate. You understand now? So, my viewers, you really need to second to this matter. You need to second to this matter because it concerns you and it concerns me. The security of life and property of Nigerians are very, very important. If nothing is done concerning this issue, these people will keep stepping on us. They will keep stepping on us and they will keep making mockery of us. So we must not give that chance at all. We must not give them that chance. We must not allow them to go on with their evil. They have done enough. So we must not allow them. You understand? Look at what is happening presently now in Katsina. Is that not enough reason for people to think about? To the extent. Okay, what about the one happening in Benin? All in the name of election. All in the name of election. The one happening in Benin has even made the international observers to start sending messages saying that if Nigeria continue like this, that they are going to place Nigeria on a certain condition. Okay, because of this, they have to place a visa ban on some persons perpetrating or encouraging violence during the election. Tell me, we are not helping matters at all. We are not. This is the time for the president to work. This is the time for the president to know that, look, I am the president of this country. A lot is expected of me. So let me do my work. But he is not. So let him read it so that everybody will know his stand. Everybody will know what is expected. What and what is expected of these people. So that we know our stand. So I think the chief has actually asked and made a very good demand, and that is if the president will heed to that and do as instructed, because President Mubarak, I won't lie to you, is not good at paying attention to needfuls. Yes, let's face the facts, and that is the reason why till today we are still facing one problem or the other. Alright, so my viewers, what is your take on this news? What's your observations? Please do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.